Alright, Eugene's Backyard Repair here again. Here we go, working on another one. Working on a Craftsman 6.5 self-propelled, all bearing, I think it's all bearing wheels. Yep. It's got ball bearing rear wheels. Front drive system has running, I don't even know when. It's my cousin's mower. Greatest cousin there ever was. The greatest cousin there ever was. Oh. Well, that didn't. Maybe you should catch the video. Let me grab my drink here. Yeah, so we're gonna see if we can get this thing up and running for her, and sharpen up the blades and send her on back and do a little pressure washing on her because she's a little dirty. They're looking all nice and spiffy, and send her on back down the road. We're gonna pause this and I'm gonna get out the pressure washer. That way, at least it's out. Hang on. Alright, I think we're recording. Yeah, we're back. Alright, we done washed her off. We saved you the annoyance of listening to the pressure washer. But I remember why we pressure wash it after you're done, because then you get it all over the ground, you got nail on it. Dry it off a little bit here. She's looking better. Alright, grab yourself a flathead screwdriver. Get this air filter off, take a look at it. Somebody's tried to start this already. I can tell because they put gas in it. And they put gas in, and I guess what was an empty tank, from not from because they emptied it, because it dried out from sitting. Should have me a table. Oh, we're gonna make it real on the ground. So we're gonna pull this cover off. Yeah, why not? Watching, we'll get some tools here. Alright, we're gonna set the world famous 2B patented bucket table. Get the bucket, get the board we're gonna knock over 25 times. Tools, bring these to the Huskies I just got. And the metric. Of course, they can come with a brand new knife to cut them open with. Got a knife, hopefully we won't cut ourselves with. Yeah, sure, that was gonna do it. Let's not cut two sides, just cut one. Put the cardboard in the recycle bin. Oh, these are definitely new. That one falls off, the one I want won't. That's for me. Try your 8mm. Then with the socket again. Oh, these holders are awesome. Yeah. Nice Husky set with a custom holder. It works like crap. Get the bolts out. Nail in the water here because I should have washed it afterwards. Of course, the shade is over the camera, not the work being done. 1, 2, and 3. Let's get the cover from that. Oh, what was that screw for? Just to cover to make it look good. Ooh, she's dirty. She's dirty. Well, then up there, so when I knock it over, everything falls on the ground. That carb is rough. It's a little tiny thing too. See if I can zoom you in here. I don't know how I can zoom it while I'm facing towards me. Well, I'll be dipped. I don't want to touch the camera. Tell me I can't zoom in. Let's try this. It's saying I can't do it. Oh well. You have to take my word for it. It's dirty. We're gonna grab some carb cleaner and clean that off. Got our. We're still recording here. Yeah. Oh, we started a new video. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright, we'll splice them together. We got our carb cleaner here. For get this carburetor cleaned off some. Wow. She's a powerhouse. She's just spitting and sputtering and going at it. We still going? Yeah, we're still good. Alright. What we got here? Got my wrenches. Actually, we're not going to grab our wrenches. We're going to take our brandy new sockets in here and see if one of these fit in. Let's see what we got. Oh, let me get a pair of needle nose to clamp that hose off. Figure out what's wrong with me. Found them. I'm in the wrong drawer. Ooh. Oh, you should see how dry rod that line is. Oh, that smells awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Whew. That's some bad gas. I was hoping to save some in the bowl so I could see what it looked like, but whew. Oh yeah, and water. And not for me pressure washing either. Whew. Put on my rag here. Check out our intake jet here. It's right there. So she's clean. Keep it away from the eyes. We should be wearing safety glasses. That one's clean. Check the other side. Well, I'll be dipped. Yeah, I got stuff coming on both sides. Go right in there. Get some carb cleaner up in the jet. I'm not really sure wrong. I don't know if it's just bad fuel. We'll find out. It's got a primer bolt system on here. Pulls it through that? Come on. Let me tell you. Check the dirt on the filter or this cover. She's pumping the arrow. Let me show this. Here coming up the inside. Man, I'd like to get this cleaned off. Alright, we're going to bring it back. We're going to clean this off. Alright, you're back. We washed and air dried this. Or air dried it the best we can. I don't think a little wood is going to kill it. Yeah, get screws. Oh, I guess we're going to hook our fuel on here. Shoot. Like I said, that is dry rot. I'm going to get that off and replace that too. This. And here. Here. And here. The nut driver here, clearance drive, and a flathead screwdriver. Looks like a charm. Redneck trick. Works at 3/8 too if you got a bigger screwdriver. Sack it off. Extension on. Yellow. 1, 2, 3. I wonder what you'll do. Nothing yet. We got whatever smells like gasoline here. What the heck, we'll give it a shot. Okay, which one is? That one's the drive for the bomb. This should be the release to start it. Easy as that. Well, maybe not too easy. Let me put this filter back on. Phew. All right. Let's see if it runs with the filter on. That's a 10. Alright, let's get this. Good feet. Oh, I'll tell you what was going. This thing is not gonna last. I'll be wanting a new rail for them. Give her a shot again. This one. think we're good. Sticker popped up again. Have to fix that. I like that. Oh, that one popped up too. We're gonna fix both of them. But anyway, there you have it. I don't think you can see me. We'll pick it up a little bit. Just a touch. Oh, ooh, that's dirty. Well, there you have it, folks. Craftsman 6.5, self-propelled. Sat for how many years? There's quite a few. They couldn't get it running. Happened to be water in the bowl. Even if you put fuel in it and the tank is empty, the fuel could still be in the bowl. So this one was in the bowl. It had some water in it. Got the water out. Replaced that fuel line because I don't like it dry ride. Put some new fuel in this. Check the oil. Make sure the oil is good. If it isn't, we'll clean it. Well, I'll clean it. Not clean it. We'll drain it and refill it. But glue a couple stickers here that popped up. I got the start stickers in there with some spray adhesive. Alright, that's it. Backyard Repair right here. Peace. Yeah, so that's the end. Like, share, subscribe if you would, please. And follow me on Instagram too. Sorry if I'm squinting here, the sun's in my eyes, but anyway. You know, like I said, like, share, subscribe if you would, please. You can also follow me on Instagram. I post pictures and some of my videos, and sometimes, you know, fun stuff. Kids from my neighbor's house, and you know, things like that. Upcoming projects. So anyway, you know, like, share, subscribe. Peace.